So next one is limes. The key lime, the Mexican key lime or the Mexican lime, really good producer, almost produces year round, great tree, holds up well. And like I said, it literally almost produces year round for us here. And if you like limes, that's the one. It has a little more seed in it, but very good, consistent producer in Arizona.
And that's our biggest citrus tree.
That's your biggest in your yard is the lime? Wow.
We've got navel oranges, we've got pink lady grapefruit, that Mexican lime, and we've got the Meyer lemons. But that one's
lime
the biggest. Tree is the biggest.
Wow. Well, congratulations. That's not normal because you can also make that lime tree small because it's got a little bit smaller leaf size. So you can trim it, you can hedge it. But there's a couple of neighborhoods out in Gilbert that have some very large Mexican lime trees.
The thorniest of the citrus.
The thorniest of the citrus ones that are productive like that. You can find a thornless Mexican lime. So thornless Mexican limes exist. My key little tidbit on that, if you're looking for the thornless, make sure you find one that already has fruit because that is also the variety that in many cases doesn't fruit as well. So if you're going to be picking one up in a nursery, make sure if you're going to get a thornless lime, make sure it's already got limes on it to verify that you're actually going to get one with limes because for whatever reason, that thornless trait some do produce and some don't.